Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to explain how the day and night working model. First of all, I am Maryam Atiq from class 7. Now I would like to explain you how the day and night happen on the earth. This ball is Earth. The Earth is round and keep rotating on its axis. This light represents sun. The sun stays at one place while the Earth keep rotating. When the one side of the Earth faces sun, it's become day, and while the other side does not get the light, that's become day. That's become night. As the Earth keep rotating, the day changes into night, and night into changes days. One full rotation of Earth takes 24 hours. That we have one day and one night. In this model, the bright side shows daytime and the dark side shows night time. I made this project to understand and explain how the day and night happen on Earth easy way and visual way. Thank you.